Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT KING KONG X, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, up to you. And then we can enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and enter system update. And we can tap on check for updates. As you can see, your device will check for any available updates and it will show you proper information. You can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where everything is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install and apply the update to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.